In this quick video, I'll show you how to replace the internal battery in your Chevy Equinox key fob. Now, some of you out there might have a key fob that looks like this, but it doesn't have this center button. It's kind of an older version here. We call this the classic Equinox key fob. Even if you have no button here or a button, you can just follow this video. It's the same device and it's going to take the same battery. The whole process is going to take under 5 minutes, so you can just follow along with me here. The only thing you'll need is a CR2032 battery and a regular flathead screwdriver. If you'd like to get one of these batteries online, go ahead and check the link in the description. That will take you over to Amazon, where you can find this particular battery for just a couple of dollars. Now, the first step here is just to look on the bottom of the device. You can see right along the seam in the plastic, there is an opening right there. We're going to take our flathead screwdriver, insert it in there. So just find the opening and push it in, and see, just like that, it'll crack right open. It really doesn't take much force at all. You just want to get in that spot and kind of wiggle it in there and pull it open with your fingers. Now, don't worry if this thing kind of falls apart on you. That is not a problem. We actually want to have this circuit board out so we can easily pull the battery out. So just hold it from the sides, be gentle with it, and now you can just push the battery out from under this metal housing and then kind of pull it from the top. Now, once you have your battery out, go ahead and dispose of the old battery. Make sure your new battery is a CR2032, and we want the positive side of the battery to be facing up. So if it has the plus sign on it in that text, make sure that is facing up when you slide it in, and then just push it all the way back under this metal component. Now you can pick up the side, which is actually the front, that has this rubber part on it. We're just going to drop the circuit board right in there with the battery facing up. Make sure it goes and it sits all the way inside. There we go. Once it is in there nicely, all we need to do is click the back piece of plastic right on there. And with that, you are all set and good to go. I hope that video helped you out. If it did, feel free to let me know in the comments or by giving this video a like. And if you ever need help with another one of your key fobs, you can always come back to this channel. We've got you covered with videos for the devices for pretty much every maker model out there. You can also get that info and more over at our website, fobbattery.com.